We are dropping this video with the all-new Autel Evo Max Series Payload drop system. Autel Robotics is staying ahead of the game with their newly released drop system for the Evo Max series that is ideal for search and rescue operations, industrial, and enterprise applications. This plug-and-play drop system is designed for the Autel Evo Max 4T and the 4N and attaches easily via the USB-C port on the back of the aircraft and the locking strap across the top and bottom of the aircraft. Installation is very simple. Make sure your drone is powered off and remove the payload drop system from the box. Looking at the drone from the top down, you will see the top-mounted camera almost directly in the middle of the drone. The mounting system is going to mount just behind that, and if you are holding the drop system, you will see a flat section and a notched out section. The notched out section is going to be right behind the camera on the top. Simply feed the Velcro strap around and tightly attach it back through like a belt. When looking at the bottom of the drone on the drop system, you will see a small notch in the middle that is going to line up with the extended piece on the bottom camera. Once you have it secured to the drone and you verify that it is tightly installed, take the USB-C cord and plug it into the port on the back of the drone. That is all there is to it for the install. The drop system features a 4-point drop system where you can load 4 individual items and drop them one by one, or you can attach an item that uses all 4 mounting points and drop them all at once. The operation of engaging the drop system is quite easy. Once you have installed the drop system on the aircraft and plugged it into the USB-C port on the back, power on your remote controller and aircraft. You will want to make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and make sure that you are running the latest firmware of the aircraft and on the controller. On the main screen of the controller on the left-hand side, you will now see an icon that resembles a package with a line through it. If you press that icon, another window will appear and you will have 5 options inside of it. You will see 4 individual package icons, which you can press individually, or at the bottom, you will see where it says Drop All. If you press that icon, all 4 mounting points will release simultaneously. Once you bring your drone back to your landing spot, you can simply re-engage each mounting point by simply pressing them in and locking them back into place. Included in the mounting kit is a package of metal rings, which can be mounted to any type of cord. We recommend a paracord. Simply connect the ring to your object you wish to drop, and on the other end to the mounting point. It is important that you leave enough cord to extend it out past the aircraft body on takeoff to make sure that it is clear of the props. Once you are ready for takeoff, we recommend that you ascend slowly to ensure your tethered payload is secure and it is not affecting the aircraft's flight abilities. Autel's published maximum weight for this drop system is 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. We do not recommend going over that weight limit as you can risk damage to the aircraft and the surrounding objects in your flight. Any time that you add weight to the aircraft will affect its battery life. So please make sure to monitor your battery and make sure you have enough power to get to your location and back in a safe manner. Even though the maximum weight is 2.2 pounds, you can still get life-saving gear out to someone in need. A 2-way radio, life preserver, medical kit, and more can be delivered in most emergency scenarios before someone could physically get on the scene. Now that we've covered the how-tos and the technical side of things, let's take this out to the beach and put it to the test in a simulated emergency situation. All right, we are here on the sunny beaches of South Florida, ready to show you this drop system in a simulation of an emergency situation. I'm going to be out in the water as someone caught in a rip current, while Chris here uses the drone to drop me a safety float.
As you can see, the drop system on the drone provides for a much quicker response time than a person or a boat trying to get to somebody in danger. With a few clicks of a button, a life can be saved. The drop system can also be used outside of public safety, so get online and tag us in your favorite drops at Florida Drone Supply.
If you like what you saw today, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-8-DRONES, shoot us an email at info@floridadronesupply.com, or visit us at floridadronesupply.com. As always, I'm Jordan with Florida Drone Supply. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.